Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Canggu area, and also we will see together how look like the legend road in Canggu. We call Shortcut Canggu. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Canggu area and Shortcut Canggu, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Canggu area. Today on 21 January 2022, we will see together how look like the legend road in Canggu area. We call Shortcut Canggu because few months ago the road was so bad. And few weeks ago, our government make the new one. They repair about the Shortcut Canggu. I gonna say sorry. In few days, I not upload the video because I just register to the new work, like Grab taxi driver on motorbike. So I was a bit busy, but now I have a time to explore again about Bali. And for sure, and if you don't mind, please follow my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog, because Bali Travel Vlog also update about situation in Bali. So I keep trying to upload every day video, and you can find Bali Travel Vlog link I put down description. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is so beautiful. And also left side and right side, that is look so green in this area because Canggu still lot rice field. Okay, you see left side, Deus Cafe and Bar. Yeah, in this area it still look a bit quiet, but I'm really happy because there is some tourists in this area still a lot. So we can see together there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike in this area. Okay, now I turn right to explore how the situation at the moment on Nelayan Street. On Nelayan Street there is a lot nice cafe and bar. So that's why in this area I was busy with the tourists. And as usually I make video without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Bali. So our journey today start from Eco Beach until to the Pandawa Beach. You see, there is a tourist driving by motorbike. There is a lot of tourists in this area. And right side there is a tattoo and nice cafe. Okay guys, now we reach the legend road in Canggu. This is Shortcut Canggu. Yeah, it is very beautiful left side. There is a lot of rice field there. You see the road is very new. Just few weeks ago, this is our government just been repaired. And if you want to know how like this road few months ago, maybe like about 1.5 months ago, you can find the video down this video. Yeah, it is look very smooth. It's very new, and lot the motorbike drive around in this area because Shortcut Canggu is very famous. And also Shortcut Canggu in between Pandawa and Eco Beach. You see from this area, it looks so green and so beautiful, and the road looks so smooth, very nice. I'm really happy to see this. Yeah, there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. And also please don't forget to follow my another channel we call Bali travel vlog, so you can find the link down description. Yeah, it is look so busy on Shortcut Road. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Shortcut Road Canggu. What do you think? It looks very smooth and beautiful. Also looks so busy today. I'm really happy to see this. Okay guys, if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go Denpasar, but I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment in Brawa area in Canggu. And now we are in Raya Smart Street. In Raya Smart Street, there is a lot nice cafe and restaurant. You see right side? There is a lot motorbike parking there at the front restaurant. Also in left side. Yeah, it is looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, you can see on the video. It looks so busy in this area, isn't it? And there is a lot of international tourists on the sidewalk and driving by motorbike. And also they go to the restaurant. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Raya Smart Street. Yeah, it is look bit busy today. That's really good. You see right side, there is a lot of car parking there. And now I will turn left and I will update how the situation at the moment in Brawa Beach Street. You see, there is a lot of tourists walk around on the sidewalk, and also there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike in this area too, because in this area there is a lot of nice restaurant. Right side, yeah, there is a lot of motorbike parking at the front restaurant, and there is a lot of tourists in this area. I hope one day I can make video to review some recommended restaurant in this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Canggu area, and Eco Beach, Shortcut Canggu, and Brawa area. And again, please follow my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog, so you can find the link down description. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.